When it comes to extraordinary and unprecedented climate events, businesses are leaving critical elements to chance. What if you had real-world data to show you how climate and disaster risk might impact not just your facilities, but your community and the wider infrastructure that powers your business? What if, instead of facing the unknown, hoping for the best possible outcome, you had more than hope? You had curated data, developed and orchestrated by leading disaster science, machine learning, and data modeling. One Concern Domino is a revolutionary risk intelligence software that's the key to resilient operational planning. Driven by the underlying data from One Concern DNA, our data and analytics as a service offering. Domino is a platform that allows you to understand climate risk and do something about it. Built using One Concern's digital twin, Domino is an interactive risk model of the natural and built environment that allows you to understand the impact of climate volatility and extreme weather on your assets, your infrastructure, and the world around you. Our unique data-based tools can help you discover your most critical vulnerabilities, create customizable scenarios to project potential downtimes, with different hazards, planning horizons, and return periods. Predict which critical infrastructure will fail first, and model your overall climate risk exposure in a comprehensive view. From anticipating worst-case scenarios to performing due diligence for new facility acquisitions, asset valuation, and expansion, One Concern Domino helps you make smart, data-driven decisions so you can keep your assets and your business protected. One Concern Domino also allows you to easily download your curated data and analytics file that seamlessly integrates into your current workflows. For a broader portfolio analysis and customized data sets, One Concern DNA allows you to unlock a precise set of analytics and statistics on your assets and their dependent infrastructure networks. Disasters will strike, but you can stop them from devastating your business. With One Concern Domino and One Concern DNA, you have the tools to anticipate unseen risk and build resilience.